Hi everyone, it's Cara, your favorite PescaVeniVegan, and today we are going to do our Meatless Monday recipe, although today it's going to have pesca in it. It's going to have Honey Boy salmon from Alaska. So it's not completely, it's modified vegan today for Meatless Monday. And I am making the CheapLazyVegan.com's creamy oatmeal risotto made from, wait for it, oatmeal. We're making a savory oatmeal today. I tried it the other day and it is so good. I want you guys to be able to try it. So you have got to try this. All right. So this is creamy oatmeal risotto made of oatmeal. All right. So we're going to do 4 times this recipe, math. So we've got 4 tablespoons of vegan butter that are already melted in there. And the vegan butter I used is Earth Balance, soy-free, because I'm allergic to soy. Now we need to put in 1/4 of an onion times 4, so 3 tablespoons minced, or 1 whole onion minced. Minced onion. Then it calls for 1/2 of a tablespoon of minced garlic. So we're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of granulated garlic. All right, just briefly mix that together. But we don't want it to burn, so we're moving on. The next thing we need is 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. This is a substitute for soy sauce if you're allergic to soy like I am. So they have this at Natural Grocer, and so we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos. It's so awesome, it tastes like soy sauce, but without the soy. Also, it says to put a splash of water in there with that, so we're gonna get a little bit of water. Stir that around, mix it together. Now we're gonna put in the oats. So it calls for 1/2 cup of rolled oats, but we're gonna do 2 cups since we're multiplying by 4. So 2 full cups of rolled oats. Almost, let me get the other one open here. 2. All right, now stir that up. Get the oats covered in all the flavors we got going on so far. Then we need 1.5 to 2 cups non-dairy milk. So we're going to use 6 cups. We're starting with organic rice dream first. The plain one, not the one that's flavored like vanilla. So we'll do 1, 2. We have medium-high heat here. 3, 4. Then I'm going to do 2 cups of this Ripple non-dairy plant-based 1/2 and 1/2. If I got 2 cups in here. Oh, so close. 2. All right, so that's 6 cups, give or take. Now you just watch it as it's boiling, and if you need to add some more non-dairy milk, be ready to do so. Stir that together, and then it calls for 1/4 of a veggie broth cube. But we need a full cube. So what we're using is better than bouillon. Notice how it says no chicken. So it's actually not chicken, it's veggie based. So 1 teaspoon of this equals a bouillon cube. So we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of that in there. It's kind of gooey. Once you open it, you gotta put it in the fridge. But it tastes really good. It tastes like chicken broth, but yet there's no chicken in it. All right, what else? Now we need our spices. So 1/2 teaspoon parsley, we're actually gonna put in 2 teaspoons since we're using our measurements here. So parsley, 2 teaspoons. Vegan stuff. That was pretty much it right there, but do a little bit more. Then we need, it says 1/2 teaspoon thyme, but again, 2 teaspoons. One more. And then we need 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. So times 4 is gonna be 1 teaspoon black pepper. And that is it. So now we're gonna let this come to a boil over medium-high heat, and it's going to continue to cook until the oatmeal's done, which is different for depending on what kind of oatmeal you have. So typically it's like 25 to 30 minutes. So it's gonna cook for 25 to 30 minutes. When the oatmeal is done, and actually I'm gonna go ahead and add in the salmon as well. So that flavor can be in there too. And just for good measure, I think we will add in either spinach or kale. We'll have to see what I've got readily available, but probably spinach. Frozen spinach, so I'm gonna add it in there while it's boiling too. And then when it's done, I'm gonna show you the finished product. Here's the spinach we're gonna be adding in there. All right, we've got the spinach in there and we've got a good rolling boil going. So we just gotta wait until all those little oats are cooked up. Then I'll show you the finished product. Okay everyone, this is the finished product. It is our creamy oatmeal risotto and it is so good. All of our oats are cooked. So yummy. So now the finishing touch is gonna be vegan Parmesan cheese. BioLife Parmesan is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna grate some in there. I love this vegan cheese. It is so yummy. All right, stir that in. And you can grate some over each bowl as well as you serve it. That is a serving suggestion for the recipe. Voila, your creamy oatmeal risotto, and it is delicious. I encourage you to try this savory oatmeal dish. It is so worth your while. Bye.